The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers. Title of the video, Finding the Values of the Product Matrix. We have used this in the earlier video to demonstrate how the element of the product matrix should be identified. Now, we mentioned that the child should be oriented to take each row of matrix 1 and multiply with each column of the matrix B, the second matrix. Now, that is how the numbers have been placed here. So, 1, 3, 1, 3 in the resultant matrix and 2, 1, the 2, 1 of the second matrix, that is 2, 1 is the column. Similarly, 1, 3, 1, 3, the first row of matrix A and 0, 3, the second column of the matrix B. And then the third element is, the 4, 0, that is the second row of matrix A, and 2, 1, which is the first column of the matrix B. And then fourth element is 4, 0, which is the second row of the matrix A, and then 0, 3, which is the second column of matrix B. The general orientation of how each matrix is taken and how we get the product values, this is very important through this tactile demonstration. Now, each place value has two numbers, that is 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Now, the child must be oriented that these numbers should be multiplied. Now, let us start the multiplication process. So, 1 and 2 should be multiplied, that is 2. If the child is able to remember, then it's fine. Otherwise, no, if the reference is needed, we can put here. Now, 3 and 1 should be multiplied. When we multiply 3 and 1, we get 3. So, let us complete the first process. And then let us go to the second element. 1 and 0 should be multiplied. When we multiply 1 and 0, what we get is 0. And then 3 and 3 should be multiplied. That means we get 9. Now, let us go to the next row. So, 4 and 2 should be multiplied. We get 8. Then 0 and 1 should be multiplied. That means we get 0. And then let us go to the fourth column. 4 and 0 should be multiplied. That means we get 0. And 0 and 3 should be multiplied. Then we get 0. So, we have multiplied the numbers. Then, and the next stage is the multiplied numbers should be added. Multiplied numbers should be added. So, the first element becomes 2 plus 3, that is 5. That is 5. And the second element becomes 0 plus 9, that is 9. Right. And the third element becomes 0 plus 8, that is 8. And the fourth element is 0 plus 0, which is 0. Now, the product of the matrix A and B is 5, 9, 8 and 0. So, this is the product A multiplied by B. This is the product A multiplied by B. Now, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, AB is again a 2 by 2 matrix. So, we have got 5, 9 as the first row of the new matrix AB and 8 and 0 as the second row of the product matrix AB. We have arrived at these numbers by using the dragging techniques. That means dragging the numbers of each column to the row and then placing them separately, we have calculated.